Ah, that beautiful scenery. Is it nice to be out and about where it's nice and quiet? Oh, what was that? What's this? What the hell's going on here? I think we're going to have to investigate. Come on, Jack. Let's go and have a look, see what's going on. Oh, hi everybody. Yes, you are on the right channel. This is Minibus Adventures. Well, we're popping out to watch the F3F glider competition state finals here in Western Australia. So we thought while we're out and about, we might as well do some videos and post it up so you can all find out what we do in our spare time. Okay, let me bring you quickly up to speed. F3F is a 100 metre course that you do 10 laps and get the fastest time possible, or the lowest time possible. So basically the one with the fastest time gets 1000 points. Everybody gets lower points for slower times. At the end of the tournament, depending on the amount of rounds that you do, the one with the highest number of points will be deemed the winner. It's run primarily with 3 metre gliders, but there's nothing stopping you from using a smaller glider if you think it's quicker. You can hear the timing system counting down the laps, and at the end will give you the final time of the run. Now that all that's been explained, and it's as clear as mud, we'll give you a full round run, so from launch through to the final score. And after all that high speed action, I thought we'd move down to base A end of the course, which is the start and finish end. Now you're looking back along the slope as the glider was being launched. You'll see the two sticks. They're used to line up the when the glider enters course or leaves course. Now here he goes, he's out of course, looking for height, climbing, and once he gets closer to the time, as the time counts down to 0, you have to be back through the gate before the time starts. Now you can see he's scanned out and he's diving in for the start. You'll hear when he gets to the other end, beep, and a turn, and he'll come back, do the same thing, and once again 10 laps, and when you get to the end here, on the end of the 9th run, you'll get your time before you finish. You'll also notice the pilot turns and preempts the beep, so he's not waiting for the beep before he turns. So getting the distance accurate of 100 metres to establish your turns before you actually hear the beep. Well, that was a nice run. I'm not sure who the pilot is. And of course, if you can fly, you have to be able to land. And this is done by pointing into the wind with flaps, slowing the plane down and landing softly in the bushes. Now this is Glenn, one of the local flyers from Southern Soarers. It's a local group in Albany of about 4 of us. About 3 or 4 times a year, guys come down from Perth and the coast, Boston, Bunbury, to get together and have the state titles, F3F 3 metre and the sportsman title, which is a 2 metre class sportsman. But every now and again the weather will be perfect and the guys will head down just for the hell of it and have some fun. If you enjoyed this little bit of video and you enjoyed the flying, don't forget to go to Southern Soarers site, or if you get in contact with me, Steve, I can give you a link. But I'll put some links down in the description below. Hi everybody, Jack and Steve here. Would just like to thank you all for watching, and just remember, please subscribe and you'll get messages when the next videos drop. And I'm right. Yes.